Hi guys, it's Benji here, bringing you another video, and today in this video we are going to be opening a different thing on this channel. So last video we opened the police playset and you really enjoyed that, so now we're going to be opening a Nano glow-in-the-dark hex bug like box here. So yeah, you can see the hex bug. I think it's going to be really fun to play with, this hex bug things. I heard quite good reviews about them, and that's why we bought it for £4. So yeah, decent enough money from Tesco's. We'll probably can find it cheaper, but this is glow in the dark and this is ultimate, so yeah, really cool. This is a new series. So Ben's sat in the chair this time, and I'm standing up and just saying the words. So it's hex bug Nano glow in the dark 3+. And then there's the warning hazard down there, and there's the Nano. And a hex bug there with the glow in the dark Nano. Mutant series.
I wonder what's down there.
Yeah, I wonder.
Sleeve.
And there's some in the background. You can choose what colour you want. We chose blue. Is that blue or purple?
Blue, that's blue.
And then there's the barcode on top. You can't really see that. And then 0 to 3 sidelines with different warnings on the back and glow in the dark Nano habitat set. So yeah, should we get straight into it then?
Yeah.
Yep, so here we go. Oh, so down there it looks like we have this instruction sheet. So on the back we have this warning sheet here, and then the instructions how to do it, which we don't really care about. And I will get it out of this package thing. And yeah.
So cool.
You may think it's £4. That's more, just that, but it's not. It's worth it, definitely. It's like it's a live thing. So here.
Oh, I know.
Here it is.
I know how to get it working.
There we go. So so yeah, it's got some blue legs here. Oh bloody hell! Look at this.
It doesn't work on that. It works on hard ground.
Okay, so shall we try hard ground then?
Yeah.
So we're just going to try and find something hard.
And get a box or something.
Nah, this. Actually, no, that's to right, isn't it?
Yeah. Unless I pick it up.
Yeah, pick the thing up.
Okay.
Show it here. Show it here. Show it here.
Okay.
So. Ready, Ben?
Yep.
Right, record it then.
There's a bug.
That's awesome.
There's a bug. There's a bug in the house.
That's so cool. And at night time, it's glow in the dark. Let's try it one more time. Bye.
Wow, that's awesome.
So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash the like button, subscribe down below, and I'll see you later, guys. Bye.
Bye.